Do you like ice cream? Are you familiar with different ice cream flavors? We are going to test that today with a Bitmoji ice cream flavor challenge. I am going to give you a short passage and 3 minutes to come up with the answer to the multiple choice question. And if you get it right, you will then get the opportunity to guess the flavor of the ice cream using only the emojis. All right, so our first passage is over inferencing. So you are going to make an inference based on what you've read. Okay? So again, you have 3 minutes to read this short paragraph, and then we're only going to answer the multiple choice question. So at the end of the timer, you should have your your answer either written on your whiteboard or have it in your mind, and then that way we can share out. And if you are at home, you can write them on a sheet of paper and take a picture of it and upload it so we can see how you did as well. Ready? Go. All right, that is our time. So, what answer did you get? Oops, we didn't want to start that one. If your answer is C, you are correct. Let's see which ice cream flavor you get to guess. First, we have
Time's up. The answer is Strawberry.
Strawberry. Let's try
Here's
another
number
one.
2. Time's up. The answer is chocolate chip.
Chocolate chip. We'll try one more.
All right, get ready for number 3.
Ooh.
Time's up. The answer is vanilla.
That last one was pretty tough. So let's look at a main idea card. Remember, the main idea is what the text is mostly about. I'm going to give you 3 minutes. All right, that is our time. Answer choice A says Thumbelina did not know how to care for herself. Was there anything in here letting us know that she did not know how to care for herself? Do we have any text evidence to support that? No, we do not. Our answer is not A. B. Thumbelina had a very hard winter. What text evidence do we have to support that answer? Down here it talks about her winter, the long cold winter, but is that the main idea? Is that what the entire text is about? Let's look at C. Thumbelina enjoyed her life in the forest. It says right here, poor little Thumbelina was nearly frozen. She was frail and delicate. That doesn't sound very enjoyable. So C can't be our answer. Or D. Thumbelina tried to survive on her own in the forest. That covers everything in this passage. That is our main idea. B was a tricky one. Could have been our answer, but it wasn't what the entire passage was about. So if you chose D, let's take a look at the ice cream flavors that you get to guess.
Number 4. Time's up. The answer is peppermint. Number 5 coming at ya. Time's up. The answer is cookies and cream. Number 6. Time's up. The answer is mango.
Those are getting trickier. Okay, so I am almost out of space on this video. So we will continue with our next card on the next video on the next slide.